we just did the check-in. I got my room key right here and I'm headed to the 7th floor. This hotel has 9 floors and I'm on the 7th. I'm really excited to see what the view is like, what my room looks like. I'm really excited. So as you guessed from the entrance, I am at the Stanley Hotel. Stanley is one of the highest rated hotels in Athens, not only in the town center where it's located, but in Athens in general. It's nearby pretty much everything, whether that's by foot or by metro or by car if you're driving around here. And it also offers a variety of things. There are 2 restaurants inside the hotel. There is a lobby. There is a pool and a pool bar and cafe, and there's also a gym and a sauna. I'm really excited to be staying here and I'm really excited to show you around the hotel. So after a quick nap, because it was really needed, I'm on my way to the 9th floor where the pool and the restaurants are, and I'm really excited to see the view and see everything that's there. We made it to the 9th floor and just amazing. But let me show you the even more amazing part. Here is the pool. And here is the restaurant. Also, on top of everything, you have a perfect view of the Acropolis. Time to get some yummy in my tummy and maybe something to drink. So my drink and my food just got here. This is called Smoky Cloud. It came in a vase and they revealed it and it was full of glass. And these are the legendary dolmalakia. Let's dive in. Good morning. I had set my alarm clock earlier to go get breakfast so I wouldn't be too late and it gets too crowded, but I slept in, but I'm awake and let's head to get breakfast. I'm still sleepy as heck, but breakfast is so important. one of the facilities that the hotel offers is a sauna and a gym. They are both on the same floor. And I was like, I've never done sauna before, and it's offered, so why not give it a shot? So I booked an appointment, and I have to head downstairs to the reception to pick up the keys and the towels, and then head to the sauna. I'm really excited, if you can't tell. We got the key, and we are headed to the 4th floor. This place is awesome. But let's go to the sauna. So I am ready to use the sauna. Let's get inside. Oof. It's so hot. I mean, what did you expect? But oh my god, it was so sudden. But let's take a seat. Whoop. Right here. And enjoy our time inside here. I don't know how long I'll be here for, but the longest the better. I've never been to a sauna before. I've seen this in a lot of movies and a lot of videos, but I've never experienced it myself. Let's enjoy this. So after 10 minutes at the sauna, I got out to take a cold shower. I'm gonna wait for a couple of minutes and then get back inside, stay for 10 minutes and get back outside. I can repeat this process up to 3 times because the maximum time in the sauna should be 30 minutes. So let's go enjoy the sauna again. I don't know if you can see me properly, but this is all... Wait. This is all sweat from the sauna. I've been in there for 15 minutes. I lost track of time. Let's go shower now. The sauna is done. It was an amazing experience. Now I'm heading to the 9th floor where the pool is because I have to enjoy it. So here is me being kind of a complete dork and enjoying some pool time. It was really amazing. Today I didn't really do much other than being inside the hotel. I took a nap, a much needed nap, and now I have some guests and we're going to the restaurant to enjoy the view, the food and the drinks. Another night at the restaurant of the Stanley Hotel. Behind me is the Acropolis and it's just magical. What else can you ask for? I mean, Acropolis, the pool, the food, the drinks, amazing. And and the view is definitely not bad to look at. The food just got here. I don't know how to call it in English. It's called ψαρονέφρι here. In Google Translate, it's called tender oil. But this is it. With fries and ketchup. And here is my drink. Both were recommended by the people that work at the restaurant. Bon appetit! I'm back in my room. My guests left. We had a really lovely night. The food was amazing. The drinks were amazing. The view was amazing. And the company was really great and lovely. I will probably change into my PJs and go to bed because even though I did nap earlier, I'm still kind of tired. So I'll probably, switch off for the night and I'll update you again tomorrow. See you tomorrow. Rise and shine. I slept in again. Well, I'm on my way to get breakfast. Waiting for the elevator right now. So I was sitting in my room and it hit me that it's my last day at the hotel. I leave tomorrow pretty early. So I have to make a blast out of today and enjoy my day the best way possible. So I'll go to the pool, maybe go to the gym, definitely go grab something to eat, and maybe nap a bit because this bed is really comfortable. And I'll film throughout the day, maybe not so much because I want to enjoy it as much as possible, but I'll film tomorrow my departure from the hotel. That's all. I spent a couple of my hours at the pool. I relaxed. I almost fell asleep. I took a dip in the pool, had some food. It was really great. And then I decided to go to the gym, where I spent a couple of hours as well, before heading to my room and getting ready to go enjoy my last night at the hotel. Honestly, this pool and this view will never cease to amaze me. Last night here, I had to come to the bar and just sit and enjoy the view. But I also got a drink. It's called Spicy Margarita. I was curious about this drink, so I decided to have it tonight and, cure my curiosity. Really, really good. And we also have peanuts and stuff. I don't want to go to my room. I don't want this night to end. I don't want to leave this hotel tomorrow. So I'm just sitting here enjoying the view. Also I realized that you can see a Rooftop park from here. I don't know if you can see this Ferris wheel right there. But yeah, that's a Rooftop park. And I didn't realize it before that you could see it. I have been on this rooftop for 3 days straight and I didn't realize that. I mean, I enjoyed the view, but I didn't see that. But yeah, one last look at the pool and the view and we shall head to the room. Let's go. A really nice lighting. As you can see, everything is packed. I'm not ready to leave, but I have to. It has been an amazing experience staying here. I'm really grateful for this opportunity. I can't wait to come back, and I definitely recommend for you to come to Stanley. I hope you enjoyed this vlog, and I'll see you in the next one.